meeting Sagar in Sagar. Hello everybody, welcome back to the vlog. Good morning first of all. Now I'm going to buy my bread. My bread ಖಾಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಿಂದು ಸಾಕಿದೆ. So I'm going to buy bread. ಇನ್ನೇನಂಟಿ, ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ತಿಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬ್ರೆಡ್ಡು. ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕತೆ. ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ತಂದಿಟ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ತಾನೆ, ಅವ್ರು ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟು ಉಪ್ಪಿಟ್ಟು ಬ್ರೆಡ್ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು. Guys, remember Naturals Cafe? They have moved it here on the railway parallel road in Sakar Nagar. Seasonal and natural fruits, vegetables. Guys, if you want healthy stuff, this is the place. This is where I buy my bread from, not from the bakery. That is not healthy. Here I get jaggery bread, all sorts of bread, basically healthy bread, brown bread, wheat bread, whole wheat bread, all of that. They have a bigger place here. They make their own jaggery. They have fresh avocados, papaya, musambi, pineapple, everything. They have these seeds, nuts, and all of that. They have unprocessed sugar, they have jaggery powder, they have Joni Bella, all of that. So I am taking the jaggery bread, jaggery millet bread. But they also have millet sandwich bread. There's one more, brown bread is there. I don't know, but yeah, their chikki is also nice. You should visit this store, guys. Very, very, very nice, high quality products. So this is something that I eat, a roasted chana. I'll take this also. It's high on protein, high on good source of fat. You can actually eat this or this. Green grams, this is roasted chanas. I think I will take this one. Having this breakfast and watching Bell Bottom. Release agide. Full nodalla onchuru breakfast agovargu we'll see Bell Bottom. Always learning to keep improving my content and keep improving my knowledge on nutrition and keep improving my knowledge as an instructor. A lot of things, man. I just keep working all the time. So this is basically a course by YouTube Academy for vlogging. Vlog like a pro, shoot on mobile, a lot of things, guys. So, and I just love what I do. And thank you so much to you guys. Because of you, I am getting the josh to keep doing all of this simultaneously while I work, while I coach, while I learn, while I improve myself, and keep creating content on a daily basis. Thank you so much for watching. He's 88 years old. He washes his own dish. He makes his own coffee. Super ajane na. He'll eat his biscuits, morning biscuits. This is his area where he'll sit and have his dinner, his breakfast, his tea. Routine that he has been following from 88 years. Okay, so today we have the workshop. I am ready. I just need to have my breakfast. I've had that partially, but before that I need to set my hair, for which I'm going to use 5 Lives gel. And yes, I'll see you guys at the venue. We have our TFA workshop today, group strength coach workshop. Okay, time to go. This is my stuff. My cab is there. Let's roll. So ETA is 8:39, which means I'll be there by 8:40 maximum. I'm supposed to be there by 9 o'clock. So even if I'm 20 minutes early, it's okay. This is the kettlebell. This is the tripod. This is my shoes. This has my laptop, AirPods, charger, manual and all the other stuff. I had to cut my nails. Forgot, man. Boys, this aloe vera gel is really good. You guys should try this. Mast agide. Alright guys, so I've reached the gym. This is Quads Fitness, Mahalakshmi layout. They have a lot of centers. They have too many centers, no? They have in Malleshwaram.
Yeah, 5 centers.
5 centers. And all 5 are owned by the same, or it's like a franchise?
Yeah, owned by the same family.
By the same family, yeah?
Yeah.
Lovely. What? Purnima only?
Purnima and her husband Vijay.
Lovely. This is like a group class area. On top we have the gym. Let's go and check it out.
Romanian deadlift is over.
Single leg deadlift.
Single arm deadlift. Single arm deadlift.
Alright. There is one more that we have mentioned, which is narrow stance. Is nothing but the normal conventional deadlift, guys. We will cover that also actually, because I forgot. So if you open page number 65, that is what we did now. Romanian deadlift, okay? In page number 64, there is called narrow stance deadlift, or which is also called as the conventional deadlift. Conventional deadlift is, they have already done this. I don't know why we have mentioned it twice. So So normal stance, keeping the arm weight close to the body, one thumb distance outside your bar. You bend your knees in this. Your knees are bending. You do a hip hinge, just like how we practice hip hinge. Exactly like that. You do a hip hinge. You go down to a point where you feel a stretch, and then you come back up. This is your conventional deadlift. If you're doing it from the floor, then it becomes actually a deadlift. So this is where you start. You lock your elbows, squeezing your lats, squeezing your scapula. You are on a midfoot position. From there, you start lifting. You press the floor with your leg. You pull the weight with your arm. So pushing and pulling happens at the same time. So this is your stance. Squeezing your back, engaging your lats, press against the floor, pull against the weight. You start standing all the way up, stand tall, squeeze your glutes. Again, repeat the same movement. Now see, bar is traveling in one straight line. It is not touching or going across the knees. I am pushing my hips back, knees out, and down. Now in this position, my legs are outside, right? What I mean by that? I am engaging my glutes, pressing, squeezing outside so that this is completely strong. So from here, what I see is people when they try to lift the weight, this is what happens. Their knees cave in or drop in. That should not happen. So press against the floor, squeeze your glutes, externally rotate your hips in this position and start pressing against the floor. Pull the weight with your arms and you stand. Can we try that before we move on to the single arm deadlift? Come on, let's go. For this, I want you to start in the bottom position. Imagine midfoot. Now, why am I saying midfoot all the time? When you put an Olympic plate, it comes off the floor for 10 inches. 10 inches will be around your midshin. That's why I am calling midshin, midshin, midshin. Okay? So start from your midshin. Guys, one thing that I want to tell you all is, what I am noticing is, whenever we are doing deadlift, see, we have been conditioned saying that deadlift is a back exercise, back exercise, back exercise. So we feel that, oh, deadlift under we have to pull or we have to use our back. No. Deadlift is a lower body exercise, majorly. It's a full body exercise, first of all. Squat, deadlift, all these are full body exercises. But the second thing is, you are not using your back alone. Bend from your hip, your knees are slightly soft, right on top of your ankle. You go down, reach the weight, stand tall. Now, one challenge here when you're doing a single arm deadlift is your obliques come into play. So, whenever there is a weight, or see, ideally, my body leans towards this. If I have to make it stable, I have to use this. Counterbalance the weight, which means this side is working more, right? So that is what is the challenge of a single arm or single arm deadlift or unilateral deadlift. So you start here, down, lift up. From this side I will show once again. Watch my movement, guys, don't do it. Watch. I go straight down, lift the weight, stand up, down, touch, stand up. You can do it on the... This is a position after first master class. People are dead. Oh, Vinay has ordered our lunch. This is, what is this, Vinay? Some chicken, no?
It's Mediterranean food.
Mediterranean chicken.
But I'm a vegetarian.
You are a vegetarian. Okay. Vinay has his
Paneer.
paneer. If you don't eat that paneer, no. Every time you order that and you leave it.
I didn't leave it.
You left half of the thing in my house.
Seriously?
Then what? I had to eat it.
I wouldn't waste food like that.
No, that's what you do. There also Korean food, you did the same
I
thing.
ate it at home, Shubha. I microwaved it in the night and I...
You ate?
Oh, I ate. It was very sticky though, but I ate it.
So Vinay is saying 3 years ago, Raj used to take classes here and now we are taking workshops here. Amazing Shubhagana. Raji, if you're watching this, amazing Rajivana. Keep going. You will not push to this intensity every single day. It's just 2 days. Come on. 3 minutes more. Just 3 minutes. You guys are killing it, man. I'm getting goosebumps looking at you all. Great job, man. Let's go. Good job, Marsh. Arun, push it. Okay, so finished our day one's TFA Group Strength Workshop. Vinay is insisting on having Sagar mango milkshake. So ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಇದೆ. He is booking the cab. But you had booked the cab, no? To where? Do you change the location?
I didn't book the cab yet.
You are booking it. Sagar mango juice. ಸರಿ ಸರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಸಾಗರ್ ಇನ್ ಸಾಗರ್. So finally, Vinay and me are having butterfruit. ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್. ಈ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇದು ಏನೋ ಹ್ಞೂ ಬ್ರೋ ದೊಡ್ಡದಿದೆ ಬ್ರೋ ಇದು ಸೈಜ್ ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. Thank you so much for watching the video. After I've come back home, I've just been resting, taking rest because I have a big day tomorrow. Again, a long day. I need to put all the energy, and that's why I didn't shoot much. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you guys liked it, please subscribe to the channel, share it, and please do comment if you're liking the vlogs or if you want me to change something, if you're not finding something interesting, if you're finding something boring. Your feedback would be of utmost value to me. So please do comment and share it with your friends. Thank you so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.